Hey, happy Wednesday evening. Already made it through hump day. Full throttle kind of guy coming at you. Been really busy. Started a new job, everything. So, like I said, watch for Ice Spider Garage and their trivia, but the after party with Oli's Garage, and I'll kind of talk more about that later. Everything's good. So, but things have gotten a little bit better too. I'm in the office of the new Dodge. I'll be starting a separate channel for this car and its endeavors down the road. But I digress. It's a Charger, and there's a lot of nice features available to help set up your Charger the way that you like it. In particular, this car happened to have been missing a turn signal, which is weird. It's a two-piece unit, and sometimes they just randomly fall out, or people take them, or who knows what goes down. So if you're upgrading your taillights, or your turn signals, with different ones, and there's quite a variety of fixtures out there. I got mine off of Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description for it. But I've replaced one remaining factory unit. I got a twofer. The new lights that you'll get, and this even applies to like the wraparound lights, they'll come with a hole in it, and you're like, what do we put here? You know, a lot of times there'll just be a wire coming out with a new spade on it, where you'll hook it into the connection for where the running lights were. Well, if you're missing a piece, or you're missing that key, or you end up throwing this out before you have a chance to do the changeover, stop before you do that. You'll need the old turn signal bulb housing to get the work done. All you got to do is, again, you're going to need it because of the backing on it here. Let's see if I can get this thing to auto zoom in. Probably not. Hey now. All right, you see that little pokey thing down there? All right, that connects to it, so you won't have to cut your wiring. And in case you wanted to change your lights in the future, do a wraparound or whatever, all you do is you pull your bulb straight out, and that's where the spade goes in. That's it. And so you can upgrade your running lights on this car in under 15 seconds. That's how fast it is. It's just a matter of pulling the old housings out. They're not even held in with a screw or anything. It's just basically pressed in there, and they kind of anchor into the assembly itself. That's all it is. So anyways, nice little feature, something you can do really on the cheap and on the quick. I think mine were around $30 for the different marker lights, and I'll put pictures up, and I would show you a video of what the car looks like, but there's kids outside playing right now, and they're healthy and happy and screaming and hollering, which, hey, by all means, happy screams, cool, but you do it down there. But I digress. So no beaches tomorrow, or actually tonight, so they have the e-racing, but I'll be back on the shtick next week for July the 3rd. So if you're going to be in Portland, or if you're going to PIR for that, hey, holler at your homeboy. We'll hook up and, check the fairgrounds out and have some food and check out the drag races. You never know what might run. So anyways, just a quick update, quick tip. So again, changing out your running lights, save your little housing, because you're going to need it. Otherwise, you'll have to cut wiring and splices and do all this non-factory stuff, and you're just setting yourself up for electrical shorts down the road. So that's it for tonight. Haven't seen my page before. I do a lot of stuff, including guns and cars, of course. So thanks for stopping on by. Give me a like. Leave a comment, please. Subscribe. Ring the bell thingy, too, if you want. But look forward to talking to you guys again. Thanks for, again, sharing in the endeavors of the new Dodge. And I'll tell you more about it, after the after party. So have a great day. Enjoy the week coming up. Looking forward to July the 4th there. Celebrate the independence of the United States of America from the tyrannical Brits. Anyways, all's good. We saved the Brits' ass a couple of times, but you know how that went. Anyways, have a good one. See you again soon. Be well. Thanks.